Doesn't it seem like more like a goodbye wave? Like this is a hello wave, this is a goodbye wave. But don't go anywhere because I'm actually, this is the beginning of a video. So I'm sure you could figure that out. What am I talking about? Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another edition of Beater Box Friday. I am SB Mitch. Unfortunately for you, fix my chair. You can follow me on social media platforms, Twitter and Instagram, at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes and many more shoes that I pull out of beater boxes for sale. These shoes will be up there today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hello, pals! Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. We're doing a Sole Supremacy beater box again because Sole Supremacy is the undisputed world champion of the beater box realm. This box costs $975 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,015. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance we're gonna make some money on it. So do yourself a favor, follow along with the counter. Its name is clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, ease of movement, and using data from previous and current sales. Then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid. And keep in mind that the values that pop up on your screen, like this, that's just the value. That's not how much these are for sale for. Sometimes the value is ridiculous, like on most LeBrons, but I don't control that stuff. So what I do control is opening the box, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Boxes from Sole Supremacy have been good as long as they're over like 800 bucks lately. Lower tier boxes have not been as good, which is a shame. There is some pink box and purple box SB stuff going on in here. Very cool. But there is Adidas, so let's get the Adidas out of the way. This first one up is an NMDR1 in a size 8.5, and it is a dead stock pair of Adidas NMDR1s. But there's definitely some factory flaws going on here. I don't know. Look at the, what's going on with this boost here? It's really weird. Right there and around there. NMDs already don't get much on the secondary market, and now that there's ones with a factory defect, it's probably gonna hurt it even more. So here's your first shoe out, an NMDR1 with a factory default. Factory defect. I'm good at words. No, I'm not. More Adidas. It is an NMD XR1 with an X through it and a size 7, which means this is probably a replacement box. Okay, so this actually is the original box. Here you go. It's an NMD XR1 because it's got this weird cage thing going on here. It's a blue, mostly blue and white, and with a little hint of red on the bumper. But yeah, these are dead stock too, in a size 7. I have no idea. NMDs, 2015, these would have been worth a whole bunch of money, but I mean, it's a cool looking shoe, I won't lie, and it's dead stock, so nothing really to complain about, but I mean, the value could be there, could not be there. I don't really know. There you go. Size 7, NMD XR1, dead stock condition. Got a size 7 EQT support Ultra Prime knit. I had a feeling that's what these were. These are a dead stock pair, so that's cool. It's a collaboration with Pusha T. I think these are just called King Push. He did the brown paper bag one. This is the first one. It's a silver kind of EQT support. I mean, it's a cool looking shoe. It's definitely got some, I mean, you see snakeskin on here. It looks like every custom ever done by a shoe surgeon, so that's pretty neat. But they're dead stock and it's a size 7. I had a size 7.5 of these for like a year. And it was the toughest thing to move. So dead stock condition, size 7. King Push, Pusha T, EQT supports. Whole bunch of Jumpman boxes in here. Let's get some of those out of the way. So we have a size 7.5 Air Jordan 4 Retro Lifestyle. This is a worn pair. These have definitely got some years on them, but it's a very cool pair. It's like the mist blue or like gray bluish kind of colorway. These are from like 2004 or something. They're very old. Yeah. 2006, so they're definitely old. There's a little bit of glue stuff going on, which is gonna happen, but older pairs, I'm surprised these are not cracked on the midsole. So very cool looking shoe, very little signs of wear. Yeah, just a really nicely blocked shoe. A little bit of yellowing from age, but it's a very aesthetically pleasing combination of colors. So Jordan 4 Retro LS in a size 7.5. Got some years on them, so that'll definitely affect the value. We got a 7 Youth Jordan 13 grade school. These are the Wheat Jordan 13s in a size 7 Youth. These have some age on them too, but these are super lightly worn, even more lightly worn than the 4s. I mean, it's a fall colorway. Notice both shoes actually have the film over the hologram still, so that means they were just barely worn, but probably 150, maybe less on here. Jordan 13 wheat. Okay, it's pack. Nope, it's a Jordan 21. Yeah, it's a Jordan 21 because it's got this goofy box. Size 7.5, Jordan 21. Someone got it for 80 bucks. These are worn like once or something like that, but got a Jordan 21. Probably like a stealth colorway, I don't really know. It's got these like pods on the bottom, and you can actually remove this thing under here, and it's got different kind of air units that you can put in here. It's got the original receipt too from the Nike factory store in Vacaville, and they're in phenomenal shape. I mean, you can see no toe box creasing. I think these are worn, but barely. Probably not much value in these. 21s have a very niche market, so cool looking shoe. Cool concept, definitely like futuristic for a Jordan. It's when Tinker was smoking the wacky tobacco. 3 more, we got a Jordan 11. It's a Space Jam 2009 release in a size 7.5. We're just gonna check the condition. The insert is flawless, which is very cool. These sons of guns are very near dead stock condition. Come with the original shoe tree, but there you go. It's the 2009 Space Jams. You can see, I mean, these are barely worn. Hardly any wear on the bottoms. Definite discoloration on the outsole, but these look like they were worn once, maybe twice, and then that's it. So very cool. Jumpman with half a leg in there, so these were worn a couple times. So 7.5, Space Jam 11s. I don't really know how well 7.5 does in terms of sales, but there's a lot of 7.5 in this box. Hopefully these SBs aren't 7.5, because if I know fellow SB dudes and dudettes, we do not have tiny feet. Purple box SB first, let's do that. So we got a size 8 Dunk Low Premium SB, black, deep orange. If these are Day of the Dead dunks, that's gonna be crazy. Oh no, these are the Hawaii dunks. All right, sweet. So these are pretty lightly worn. A little bit of drag, not too much though. There you go, it's the Hawaii dunks. You can see the big island there on the back. Yeah, these are very cool. These super slept on. You can see it's got some details on the insole. It does not have the secondary laces, which is kind of a bummer, but there is a thing in here for save big with Verizon web calling, so that's neat. Smaller size, decent shape. I mean, these came out in like 2007 or 2008, so they've got some years on them, but clearish outsole. Yeah, these will clean up really nicely. SB heads with size 8 feet, you gotta pay attention to this. So there you go. Hawaii dunks from the purple box era. And we got one more in here. It is a Nike SB. I don't care. I know Nike SBs are hit or miss in terms of value, but this is a pink box SB, arguably, and personally, my favorite era of SB. It's a size 7.5 Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. It says white, yellow. My guess is gonna be De La Souls. Someone put directions to somewhere in here too. Someone bought these for 130 bucks. The SB market has severely changed since then, but it's the De La Soul lows from 2005 or 4 or something in a size 7.5. Got some years on them. But these are in phenomenal shape. No star loss, no heel drag. Whoever wore these wore them a handful of times, but these are a little bit stiff, which happens with older pairs. I'm sure giving them a good cleaning will help that out. But yeah, no separation or anything. At least I don't think so. Comes with the extra laces and the original box too, so there you go. Very cool. Big fan of that kind of stuff. Love seeing SBs in here. And that is a $975 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think it's okay. Let's take a look and see what the potential profit is gonna be on this box right now. Big down! Little Adidas heavy for my taste, but I think all of these will be relatively easy moves. And there's a lot of shoes in here. Like, I mean, there's 9 pairs of shoes in this thing. And even if we sell each for an average of 150 bucks, money to be made. So appreciate you taking the time to watch. These shoes will be available today on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com. Check it out. Have a great rest of your day. See you next Monday. And until then, take care of each other. Remember, they're just sneakers. Chill out. Nothing to get mad about. Bye!